I'm Ethan, and I'm gonna go fishing in my dam. Stay tuned and keep watching, and hopefully I'll catch a fish. And that's where I'll be aiming to try and catch my fish, around in there. Walking, walking. Beautiful property, my house. Okay, I've reached my destination. Get the juicy worm right here. As you can tell, my hand-eye coordination is terrible. There are two species of fish I'm trying to target. Hopefully I can get one. Well, there are two in this dam. One is a yellow belly. I'm pretty sure the other is a silver perch. Hopefully I can get a silver perch. As you can see, fish took my last worm. Well, I'm gonna finish off today. It's getting kind of late, and I'm gonna come back here tomorrow. I'm coming here. I'm gonna try again. This time I got my dad with me. This time my dad's putting the worm on the hook, because as you could see, my hand-eye coordination is very bad.
It's more that they're just very wiggly, so you got to hold them in between your thumb and your finger, and then you just slide in like that, and then once it's in, you just kind of slide it along the hook, slide it all the way so it's in the shape of the hook. See? Ooh, close. Put it in there. Now you can leave it like that, and you can come back and check on it after dinner, even in the morning if you want.
My dad said I was onto a big fish. Very foggy morning though. It is just so nice. Just so nice today.
Alright, so just start reeling it in slowly. Yep. You feel him on there? Huh? Nice and slow. There's definitely a fish on there for sure. Just slowly. Don't, if you feel it tight, yeah. Does it feel like it's stuck? Oh, there he is. And when you can get him up, yeah, I reckon you could try and get him up now onto the, yeah. Whoa, there we go. Wow. Hey, that's a yellow belly. That's a yellow belly.
No. Is that good eating?
Probably a little small. Do you want to hold him? So do you want to throw him back, or because you could eat him, but he is a bit small. You could always try and get a different one. They can still live even with the hooks in their mouth. Alright.
Come
Go
on.
how you do it. Just watch those spikes on here. Yeah?
Well, I'm gonna throw him back into the dam.
Yep. Is that your blood or his?
No, that's just pen.
Yeah, throw him in. Off he goes.
Oh, that one got thrown back because we're gonna try and catch a bigger fish.
Nice and slow. Is he stuck? Not too much pressure, just nice and slow. Don't want him to get out. Just slowly leave the pressure on slowly, yeah, like that. Because you don't want him to get stuck in all those reeds. Oh, careful. Reel slowly, yep, a little bit, then reel, then pull, then reel. Oh, there he is. Get him up, get him up. Nice. Get over here.
Yellow belly.
You can measure him with the little tape measurer. So he's about, from the mouth, yeah, so he's about 27. So in the wild they have to be 30 centimetres, but because he's from a dam, it's private, you can take him if you want. I mean, he's a nice little lunch. You got to get a bit of meat off him. Yeah?
Yeah, I'll have it.
Alright, you're going to put him out of his misery, or do you want me to do that?
I'll do it. Well, he's all scaled, he's gutted. Now my dad's giving him a clean. I wonder how my brother and sister will react when we show them this. Dad, yeah? I want to eat it today. Nice little yellow belly. Are we going to eat it today or tomorrow? No, we're eating on Saturday. When is Saturday? Put on my head.
Oh. I'll go get a the glad wrap card. We'll freeze him so you can cook him, take him out in front of that.
Well, now it's a few days later and I'm going to cook the fish. But first I need to make the fire.
Get it right in there, I reckon. Not too high, down a bit, yeah. Yeah, like, see that? Beautiful. Yep, start feeding, just wait for it to grow for a second. And these, yeah, they're good. Just wait, give it a bit of air. You don't want to smother it. No, that's pretty good actually. Yeah, that's alright. Alright, keep loading her up. Hang on. Can you tell everyone what that is?
This is lemon, herb and garlic.
Yeah, make sure you rub it in the fish as well. Yeah. Just gonna get some more wood. You ready to chuck that frying pan on? Here, you can use the gloves. Chuck that frying pan right on there. Alright, the cooking oil. Yeah, just finished, yeah, all of that. Now you got to wait till that bubbles. Once that starts getting bubbles, you know your fish is ready to go in. That's good. Alright, I reckon that's bubbling. I reckon you're ready to put your fish in. Go on, chuck her in. Probably wasn't quite ready yet, but that's alright. Just leave it. It'll cook. Fish is a little big for the pan, isn't he?
Yep.
Try and flip it with the fork.
Oh,
yeah, flip the fish right around. Careful not to break anything off. Really grab it by the tail. Look at that. That looks like a proper fish now. Are you going to get a shot of the table if you like eating? Maybe get it from underneath. Get it from underneath. Get it from underneath. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Look at that. Ready to eat.
Yummy. Even though there's Macca's and Hungry Jack's, I still like this more.
For a lemon. Oh, there's a good yellow one right in there, I reckon. That one's kind of ready. Alright, oh, let's go. Let me cut that lemon for you.
Dad! Oh.
Who wants to pour some lemon on it?
Me! I'm doing it.
Ethan gets to do it.
Because
You can
it's
all
fresh.
have a turn. Go on, squeeze on.
No.
Alright, Ethan gets the first bite, I think.
And now it's Emma's because it's oldest to youngest, right? Right?
Alright, have a bit. Tell me how it tastes.
It's Emma's turn. Just a bit.
Is it cooked?
Mm.
Tastes good?
Now it's Emma's. Oh, good.
Go on, Emma, have some.
It's your hands. Mmm.
You're like wild animals scavenging off the bone.
Well, that's how you catch, cook, and eat fish.